The Small Estate Affidavit in Pennsylvania. What is a small estate affidavit? A small estate affidavit is a sworn statement of a person who considers themselves eligible for getting inheritance by the descendant, who left assets of value less than a state statutory limit. The document is considered an option for those whose close ones died not owning enough property to qualify for probate according to their state laws. The affidavit might also be used by the creditor of the descendant proving the debt on oath before the court. A small estate affidavit might concern any property left by the descendant: bank accounts, jewelry, art, vehicles, money, and real estate in some cases. Typically, a small estate affidavit is used when there is no last will. However, some states allow the use of an affidavit in conjunction with the last will, depending on certain legal requirements. In all states, such a document requires attestation by a notary public or other official authorized to administer oaths. Why do I need a small estate affidavit? If your spouse or parent has died, such a document will help avoid long probate court proceedings and associated costs and take possession of the property left by your close person immediately. Having the affidavit form accepted by the local probate court, a claimant can require a bank or other entities or people who currently possess the estate previously owned by the descendant to give it away to them. However, in certain situations, it would be wise to first seek legal advice before filing the small estate affidavit form. For example, when the beneficiary has not reached the age of majority or is disabled, when chances of a will contest are quite high, when the descendant has left unpaid debts, or when it is impossible to create a comprehensive list of the descendant's property and assets. A few words about a small estate affidavit process in Pennsylvania. In the state of Pennsylvania, you should follow some requirements to be able to transfer ownership to the descendant's assets through a small estate affidavit procedure. They include: the maximum value of personal property, excluding real estate, cannot exceed $50,000. An application can be filed no earlier than 60 days after the death of the descendant. For the document to be accepted by the clerk of the orphans court in the Pennsylvania county where the descendant's estate is being handled, make sure to have prepared the death certificate, the original will, if any, properly filled affidavit form, a sample of which is provided specifically for motor vehicles by the Pennsylvania Department of Transportation. If the court accepts the document, you will receive a court-certified copy of the small estate affidavit. It will let you get the rights to the property mentioned in the affidavit.